Hello, today we are going to learn basic fundamentals of how to dimension an architectural, engineering or technical drawing. There are many ways to represent the termination symbol or arrowhead. In our video, we use a filled in black color arrowhead at approximately 30 degrees angle, but there are many other ways to represent the termination symbols as shown here. The first one is a similar triangle that is unfilled and open at the base. The next one is exactly the same but closed at the base. The third one is open again with no base but at a 45-degree angle. And the next one is used extensively in architecture, so the termination symbols are two lines at 45 degrees as shown. And finally, you can sometimes find these unfilled circles used as termination symbols also. I hope you find this helpful. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, thank you. Bye bye.